on my car. It is very fast, only take 3 seconds to on. Okay, so I'm going to introduce this 4GB RAM, 32GB ROM, 8 plus 8 core with 360 camera. So TS10, 32GB ROM and 4GB RAM, Bluetooth 5.0, and then resolution 1280x720. So when moving car, this thing will move also, and here will show your km per hour. So 360. So this is back, front, left, right. Okay, so this is car GPS tracker. You can use your phone to track where your car is located at. Your phone here will update you. So this is the places I've been to before. It will show you here on your phone. So if I left signal, it will auto show left view. Right signal, it will auto show right view. Okay, so I can do 3D mode, right? And then I can adjust myself with touchscreen. So this one I can put anywhere, and one time it will change. So behind I want to open WAZE also can. Or even here. Okay. So you can also do split screen. So the middle you can put the car. YouTube you can put here, WAZE put here. Okay, so this player support Apple CarPlay. Let's try. Okay. So this is connected to my iPhone, so I can just talk to it. Hey Siri, call that.
Calling Dad, mobile.
It will just help you call like that. So more convenient when you are driving. Okay, so like, hey Siri, open WAZE. Then it will open for you. So when you are driving, no need to keep pressing. More convenient. So connected to my iPhone, your iPhone messages or your iPhone contacts, all will be here. So it is more convenient. So Android also can. Android Auto also have support. So this is with built-in DSP 48 equalizer. So one page there is 16, so there is 3 pages. Total 48. So you can adjust here, or you can adjust yourself. You can adjust yourself, or you can follow this preset one. So this is the surround sound. You can adjust also. Bass, this is to adjust bass, zone, and bass filter. So all also can adjust very detailedly. So this player is very fast speed and the sound is very nice. Very fast. Okay. So we are going to try on the YouTube lah. Okay. So this YouTube we give is no advertisement one. Okay. The speed is very fast. You press then it go. Very fast speed lah. Very fast. The loading speed is very fast. You press, no need to wait. It will straight away go. So now we have free 6TV app for you. So this 6TV app has Malaysia Live TV, TV1, TV2, 8TV. So if you want to watch football also can. Okay. Zoom screen. You can watch football in the car. Okay. So and then we also have free Netflix for you. This one is free. So there's many movies you can watch. It is up to date lah. Okay. So on the air it's like the real Netflix 2021. It is updated one, not the old one. Okay, so Netflix also can watch. And then this one you can watch worldwide TV channels. So got news, got sports, entertainment or cartoon for your kid also have. Okay, other country one also got Australia, many countries you can watch. So this is all free. Okay, so for this player, the radio is very clear.
Police supply and
The radio is very clear. You don't have to worry. You can search here as well. You can set like that. Very easy. You can set 18 preset.